I understand that you took your practice, the Williams Law Group, from being a startup to a multi-million dollar business in just 3.5 years. Can you take us through that journey a little bit? How you were able to achieve that level of success so quickly?
Yeah, so I would love to tell you that I had a brilliantly mapped out plan for what my law firm was going to be, but I didn't. I quit my job when I thought I could support myself on what I could produce. And then I went into the business of law and very quickly realized that knowing how to be a good lawyer has absolutely nothing to do with knowing how to run a business. And the business damn near killed me. Quite literally, I had started to work harder and harder to keep up with everything. Stupidly, did not hire anyone right away. And when I did hire people, I was very bad at it. So I survived my first few terminations and then finally said, I'll do this on my own and became a secretary, a file clerk, a lawyer, and shoved all of those roles into about a 15-hour workday, 7 days a week until I ultimately was so exhausted that I fell asleep driving home one night and almost died hitting a guardrail. So thankfully, it was a near miss, and it was kind of the wake up call that I needed. And it happened early enough in the process that I was desperate to solve the problem and very quickly realized that I couldn't do that on my own. So I started working with a series of business coaches and learning the pragmatics of business, learning how to integrate that, bringing in some of my own intuitive strengths in the areas of systems and organization and structure, and structured everything in my business, the marketing, the sales, the people, and very quickly was able to operationalize the growth of the business. And so putting intentionality behind that was really what got me into multi-million dollar status very soon, and we've continued to grow since then.